How's it going, guys? Today is a big day. In fact, the next 6 weeks are a big 6 weeks. What are you saying, Lauren? Lauren is wrapped up.
Comfy.
So we are off on an adventure. Lauren's excited, she's got our Alpro milk. Over the next 6 weeks, we're gonna be traveling around the UK, documenting some unusual and quirky accommodations. Starting today, we're heading up to Northumberland to stay in a converted shepherd's hut. We've also got a tree tent, a geopod, a hobbit hole, all sorts coming up. And then in between those quirky accommodations, we've also got a few nights in our van, so it'll be our first test run. I think we're staying in the Lake District for that. And we've also got our anniversary coming up at the end of the month. We're going to be staying in London for a couple of nights of luxury. 4 years.
I like to put up a bit. That's why I bought this.
She'll need that. After 4 years, she needs that. So stay tuned. Going to be plenty of content coming up. Excited for the little mini series of the accommodations. And we'll see you in 4.5 hours.
How are you getting on?
Not sure about this rain, are you?
We're 3.5 hours down. Oh no, 2.5.
2.5 hours down. Fingers crossed we get a bit brighter weather on this trip.
So we stopped at the services and the weather is not our friend.
We've been back on safari.
We're going through a lake. Look at this. Angel of the North.
Just stopped in Sainsbury's to grab some snacks in Newcastle. And everyone's speaking like that. How are you, man? It's mint. Happy there, Lo?
Yeah.
Am I good to go?
Not yet, hang on.
Welcome to Northumberland.
Hello. Curlew is the black hut furthest from you at the far end of the hut field.
Alright, so we have definitely found the spot. We've arrived. We are over there somewhere. So we're just chucking our wellies on and unpacking the food from the camper so we can take it to our hut for the night. And then we'll show you around. We haven't actually seen it yet. There's our little shepherd's hut for the night. Lauren's got to wind up. Priorities. Get me in there, nice and warm. Fire going. Okay, we have arrived at Westfield House Farm and we are staying in this converted shepherd's hut tonight. Let's see what's popping inside. Lauren's making herself at home. What you got to say about this place? How beautiful is this?
So good.
Absolutely unreal, man. Very modern / rustic. Got the fire that we'll definitely get into later.
And I love these tiles. These for our marshmallows.
Yeah, we're going to get the marshmallows going later. We've got fully functioning sink, kitchen hobs, oven, everything you could possibly think of. First impressions, I could live in this.
Oh yeah.
What do you reckon? We'll just book it out for the next year.
We'll sell the boat and get a shepherd's hut.
Shepherd's hut it is. So yeah, there's 4 on site. The one we're staying in is called Curlew, and it's even got a full ensuite. Toilet, sink, and shower. Unbelievable. Lauren's got a whoa, you calm down. We've only been here 2 minutes. So fingers crossed we get a little bit better weather and we can fire up the hot tub. Check this out. So we brought a bit of food with us. We're completely off grid for 2 days. We've got a bit of signal out here, phone signal, so we can hotspot the Wi-Fi, whatever, but yeah, not gonna be doing a lot, man. I think a good bit of food, probably a few card games, and just chill out here in Northumberland.
Hello there.
First stop of the tour. We've set our standards quite high, haven't we?
This is amazing.
I just want to video everything.
I can't stop smiling.
Alright, I'm gonna calm down in a minute. I haven't even taken my coat off. I'm soaking wet, but
Too excited.
fridge is fully stocked with orange juice.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Jumped into the wine, didn't you? Been here 2 minutes. Dropped salad all over the floor. Are we eating that? We're eating that, aren't we?
Yeah, 3-second rule.
Is that allowed? Are we eating that? Yes or no, guys?
Yeah, we're wild campers now.
Needs must. So the weather is not stopping. I don't know if you can hear it on the roof, but it's pretty gloomy out there. You can just about see the cows in the field, bless them. So unfortunately, we're not going to be getting in the hot tub tonight, that's for sure. But I think we're going to light the fire, get some dinner on, and just have a little cosy evening. Lauren's drawing down for the night. What's the time? It's literally 6:10. Let's get cosy. Fire's going on. Lauren's building a fortress. Oh, come on. Start it off nicely. We've got something a bit different up here. They use these briskets. I've never used these before. Normally we just use like kiln dried logs, but give these a go and see how they work out. What's cooking? Good looking.
Well, we raided the reduced section yet again.
Sainsbury's. We've done about 20 quid at Sainsbury's.
We've got Indian snack selection.
That is right up my street. And then I think we've got a bit of couscous somewhere, have we?
It's just snacky food, yeah.
Snacky food for the first night. Oh, it's in here. Oh, I don't think I showed you this door. Another door, same as the shower room, but we've got storage in the boiler in this one. And this is our food stash. There we go. Lauren was looking for a sharp knife and forgot that we took a Polaroid of her when we arrived. Didn't get it on camera, but...
That is sick!
Let's see the end result. Shepherd Hut memories. Couscous is looking banging. Lauren's washing the salad because I dropped it on the floor.
The spread is out. We've got Indian snack selection, Moroccan couscous, bit of salad, bit of Jesus juice.
Jesus juice. Cheers. How about that fire, by the way? Yes, all over this. The only problem now is I'm absolutely sweating.
Sat right near the fire.
Sat on the fire having my dinner. Right, let's get into this. Put the camera down.
And you Margie.
And then I think we'll play some games. Current situation. We're done. What's the time? Like 7:30?
8.
8 o'clock. You calm down. And this is the current view. Coziest setup. Fire's still just glowing, I think. Yeah, fire's just glowing over there. Lauren's finished her wine for the night.
I want some chocolate.
Oh no! That's the only problem with being in the middle of nowhere. You can't just run out and get snacks.
Well, you could if you were best boyfriend ever.
We've had a nightmare. So we decided we were going to switch off, leave the cards for tonight, and set up Netflix and just chill. But we've realised the toiletries are in the van. And it looks like only one person's going to get them.
I'll come. I won't let you go on your own.
She's coming. She's up, guys. She's up. She's coming with me. Teamwork. Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Come on. Ready? 3, 2,
Whoa, that is chucking it down.
1. Come on.
I'm scared. Oh, there's bottle. Oh, click it in. Ah, that is so cold.
Freezing out there. Soaking wet. We've got to find the toothbrush. Sweet? We're heading back, guys. This is horrible.
The brolly's going to blow away.
Oh.
That is what I'm talking about.
So we've got our toiletries. The main thing is, Lauren's filled half the bag with potatoes, so at least we've got a bit of lunch for tomorrow. What on earth are they doing in there?
Lunch, isn't it?
Yes guys, good morning. Morning, Loza.
Morning.
Moment of truth. It rained all night, but now we got a nice clear sky, a sunny day. It's looking to be a good one. So it's 8 AM, we probably should get up, get some breakfast and get out and take some photos just in case the weather turns.
Good morning, Northumberland.
Are they out there?
They're all in the field.
Chilling.
100 quid if you jump in that.
Later. Give me an hour to wake up and I'll jump in there.
That'll wake you up.
Okay, so while Lauren's just tidying up there, I'm gonna get into the breakfast. We've got some fresh bread, some fresh farm eggs, and obviously, you know us, we pulled in a tin of baked beans from the camper. Also, I'm not sure if I've mentioned it before on the vlogs, but we do get a few questions. We are vegetarian. I wouldn't say we're vegan. We don't really shop dairy when we're on the boat, but we're on a farm. They've delivered fresh eggs. We're gonna have scrambled egg on toast. Lauren's dropping the mushrooms. Looking very countryside girl today, Lauren. You got your...
What, I put my farmer dungers on?
Dungers and slippers. Very cool. You having that with your breakfast? Come on, look at this. Whee!
Eggs on the top or on the side? Egg on the top or on the side?
Egg on the toast, beans on top.
What? Oh, all of it?
Yeah.
Like a mountain?
Like a mountain. Shit, I had one job. One job. Where's my oven mitts? Ah, we're looking alright. Little bit of burnt on the end there. Breakfast is served. Lauren's in, look, bless her, she's starving. Come on. Let's eat. Absolutely done. Polished off. Lauren's just uploaded some stories to Instagram. And then I think we're going to head out and try and get some photos before the sun goes. Also, if you're not following us on Instagram, at @CharlieandLauren_, go check us out on there. We update on like daily stories. So if the vlogs aren't enough for you, you get some more behind the scene footage on there. Got it under control, Lauren?
All under control, baby.
So this is where the professional side starts. We actually do some work. Took some photos sitting on the jacuzzi with this in the background, but look at this. First photo of the day. Epic fail. belly button leaked. This is what usually happens during photo shoots. Lauren lines it up and I'm just the prop man. So I've got to drag and rearrange the flowers to make them look pretty. It's colder than it looks out there. So now it's down, back to the table. Gonna get a bit of editing done. Lauren's on photos, I'm on vlog. And I think she's got hot chocolate going in the background, have you?
I'm on hot chocolate duty.
What's that? Cinnamon?
Yeah.
No, I don't think we've got any cinnamon.
We've got cinnamon.
Yes. Look at that. Lauren, queen of the boomerangs.
Blob, 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 blob.
This is the kind of thing that happens. Look, we're on the laptops, working away. Lauren has spotted a rainbow. Check that out. So we're running out to try and grab a photo with it. Lauren's gone. I'm coming. Missed it. Gotta be quicker, man. These rainbows, they move fast. Come on then. We missed the rainbow, but whilst Lauren is dishing up a bit of dinner in there, oi! I'm gonna have a go at getting this hot tub lit. So apparently, you just get the logs burning in there, and it takes about an hour or so to heat up the water. All right, guys, touch wood. Built the little fortress as always. Gonna close this up and see what happens. How we looking, Loza? Yeah? What we got? Leftovers.
Right.
Bits and bobs.
Moroccan couscous, sausage roll, potato salad with paprika, scotch eggs, pakora, salad and seeds.
Yes, chef.
You what?
So I'm going to tuck in, have a little feed, and then touch wood. I mean, we're surrounded by wood, but touch wood. We might get in the hot tub in an hour's time. What are we saying?
I think it's a bit too cold. It's warm, but a bit cold.
Not warm enough.
Not warm enough.
Well, can't even see me. We tried. The fire's still roaring. It's been going for about 2 hours, but we've run out of logs. We're mid-October, so the water was freezing. We've managed to get it to like lukewarm, but it is now, what, 9 o'clock at night?
Yeah.
9 o'clock at night, and I don't think we can get in it, guys. Okay, so the jacuzzi was a fail, but we got our pajamas on, and marshmallow time. We've got the hot chocolate, we've got the marshmallows, the fire's going. Go on, Loza, in you go. Have you roasted marshmallows before?
I don't think I have. Do you just hold it here, yeah?
Yeah, just hold it there. Don't put it in the flame. That's alright. Looking good, man.
Give it professional.
Give it a couple of seconds and you can eat it.
Shall I put it in there?
No, don't put it in there.
Look at this. It's just oozing. That's like a marshmallow advert.
So we've got a jar full of sticks, more importantly, a jar full of marshmallows, and I think that's us for the night. We're going to chill here, see the rest of these off, and then we'll probably stick something on Netflix. So I've just come for a little walk while Lauren gets ready for bed. Let me spin it round. I mean, we've stayed in some pretty cool places, but this has got to be one of the coolest. It's so cozy, nice and warm, middle of nowhere. Yeah, it's just a very unique and definitely quirky place to stay. Netflix?
Get some chill. That fire makes me tired.
Give me a thumbs up. Alright, we're gonna jam Netflix on. Maybe not even, because Lauren's fallen asleep on me. But I feel like it's only right we sign this out in the morning when we're leaving rather than now. Can you cover the thing for me? Black it out. Good morning, guys. It's time to pack up. That shower is incredible. I think that's what's been the beauty of this place, is that on one hand, you're in the middle of nowhere, and on the other hand, you've got all the luxuries that you need. Like instant hot water, powerful shower, and we've even had 4G signal, so the owner said don't bank on it, but we've been sweet out here. So it's certainly gonna be hard to leave. Hey Lil, how's your toast there?
This is gorgeous.
But we have to. It's time to leave our little shepherd's hut. So we've got to say a massive thanks to Tim and Emma at Westfield House Farm. It's been awesome. Look at our little baby.
Bye bye, Curly.
So until next time, I'm sure we'll be back at some point, just slogging our bags across. So we're gonna jump in the van now. Where are we heading, Lo?
Cumbria!
We're heading down to Cumbria. We're gonna hit the Lake District. So we'll catch you on the next one. I can't do peace out. Yeah, we go.